Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is gold spot and it is analysis for the coming week. This will be from 20th of January to the 24th of January. So it's just a 5 days market move on gold spot. So this analysis is top down from monthly time frame, then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame. And in 4-hour time frame is where I provide those key entry levels. So make sure that you watch this analysis until the 4-hour time frame, and also make sure that you do your own analysis so that you will have at least the conference and also watch analysis from other traders. So okay, in monthly time frame we see what is happening is almost the same thing as it was in previous week analysis, but we see there's a gain in bullish momentum. So now this may indicate dominance of the buyers in this month, and actually we have 12 days for the monthly candle to close, so we cannot conclude that this monthly candle is going to close with the current bullish momentum, or it may gain further bullish momentum. No, anything can happen because we still have some days for the monthly candlestick to close. Then quickly in weekly time frame, let us see what are the highlights. What are the highlights in weekly time frame? Okay, what we see there is buyers still push the price up this week. So we see here clearly a candle has closed with the bullish momentum, even though there are some rejections from the downside and the upside. So rejection from the downside, it was a Monday selling momentum, and this week we were expecting for a bearish momentum to dominate throughout the week, but on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday buyers pushed the price up, and then on Friday we had a rejection to the downside. So to a certain extent market moved against the primary projection from what was mostly expected to happen. Okay, so nothing is bad because we still had updates. So now if you missed the updates, make sure that you visit www.asamforex.com, because here is where we provide the analysis now, the daily updates. So when the market direction was changing from bullish to bearish, so we had some updates about the possible sell entries. So make sure that you visit our website for updates. Okay, so quickly in weekly time frame also we see there's a level here where price was touched. Now price touched twice, and the third time it was when price broke the upside, and also this weekly candle retested the level and closed above it. So now this may be an indicator of a possible continuation to the upside, but we cannot conclude only on weekly time frame that price is going to push to the upside, unless lower time frames also will tell us the same thing. But monthly and weekly they tell us that we may continue pushing to the upside. Then quickly in daily time frame, let us see what are the key things. Okay, now the first thing is we have clear wave counts. Now in daily time frame we have clear wave counts, and now the basic idea, now we are looking for completion of wave C to the upside. Now if you look here, we have this wave C here, also there is another C, so the internal waves now 5 and C are the internal waves. So we are looking for a possible completion of this move to the upside. So if higher time frames are telling us about a possible rise, so it may be the same thing as what we see in daily time frame. We are looking for a possible completion waves to the upside, but market is not going to flow straight to the upside. We will be facing some periods of corrections or retracements. So actually movements to the downsides are also possible. That's very powerful. And also we see there's a potential key resistance here. So this level, if you look back, it was a very important level. You see several times price rejected at this level. So even now, and this was on Thursday, and this update was provided on Thursday. Now when actually we saw prices approaching this level, we had an update of a possible sell opportunities. So this is slow. I wanted to show it on the website, but it is slow. Yes, it's here. So you see now this one was a possible bounce and rejection to the downside, and this is exactly what happened now. This was on Thursday. Let me go and see on a calendar. Now this was 16th. Now if you see here, 16th was on Thursday, and the same thing here was Jan, 16th of Jan. So now this was possible because this projection happened exactly because we saw those rejections from the previous levels, and at the same level you see on Friday, price maintained the bearish momentum. So this was true. So make sure that you visit www.asamforex and then you go to analysis, then look on the daily updates. You will be able to see what are the previous future market moves, and also signals will be provided very soon. We are still sorting something on the signal side. Okay, so let me complete with the final time frame, the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so now the 4-hour time frame is the final, and I'm going to touch with the possible key entry levels. Okay, so fine. Now you can see now here market is moving within those wave counts, and we are actually expecting the same possible move to the upside in completion of those waves as mentioned on daily time frame. But here we have identified the potential or a key channel where price is respecting. You see, it is respecting. That's why it was also possible to predict on Thursday, you see, because we also had a conference of this level here, a trend line, and also in daily time frame we had that resistance level. So all of them were moving at the same place. That's why we were expecting for a possible bounce to the downside. So you see also we have a lower channel, price is respecting and also is coming here again. So we expect market is going to react here. So how market is going to react, actually this may provide us with the possible entry levels or the possible trading opportunities now for the coming week. So how are you going to trade next week? Actually, if you see prices trading above 2700, if you see prices trading above will be buying up to 2760. This will be completion of the wave C to the upside. That is possible. And also if you see prices trading down now below